This is soap speckles. It used directly into soaps, making with many kinds of colors such as blue, red, green, yellow, orange, purple, white, and so on. It is made of bentonite, cellulose microcrystalline, sodium stearate, and pigment. It can increase a visual effect and cleaning function to attract customers. SAFE, full name sodium triple phosphate. It is classified as industrial grade and food grade. It is used as one of the main auxiliaries agent for synthetic detergent, synergist for soap. Softener for water in industry, tanning agent for making leather, an effective dispersion agent for suspension treatment of painting, kaolin, magnesium oxide, and drilling mud, etc. Circle speckles is made of sodium stearate and colorant. It can be made into many different colors such as blue, green, red, orange, and so on, without peculiar smell, harmful composition to human. Circle speckles is used to enhance the competitive advantage in the laundry detergent powder market as an additive and decorative use. This is white speckles. It made of sodium carbonate, sodium sulfate, bond materials, and some special materials. It acts as a filler for laundry detergent. You can use many other materials to mix with it, and then it will be another product. If you mix SAFE with it, it is a SAFE speckles. Colorful soap speckles is used directly into soaps, making with many kinds of colors such as blue, red, green, yellow, orange, purple, white, and so on. It is made of bentonite, cellulose microcrystalline, sodium stearate, and pigment. It will not break even if it is squeezed in the production of soap.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.